mice living together in a big old house. One day a cat arrived. After the cat chased the mice for several days, the leader called the mice together.
My friends, we have a big problem. It is that cat. I am tired of being chased night and day.
I haven't had a thing to eat since that cat came. I am too busy running away from that cat.
Me too, me too.
The mice talked to each other, but no one had a plan.
I have a plan. There is a bell in the corner of the kitchen. First we have to put the bell on the ribbon, then we wait for the cat to fall asleep and tie the ribbon around the bell.
Great idea. This is a dangerous job. Who will volunteer?
The mice looked at each other. No one volunteered.
I will do it. I am little and I am fast.
Hooray!
That night, the cat fell asleep after drinking a bowl of tea. The little mouse quietly placed the ribbon around the bell and